Have you ever noticed something strange? Some people speak English very confidently, even if their grammar is not perfect. And some people know many grammar rules, many words, but still feel shy, nervous, and silent when it's time to speak. Why does this happen? The secret is not talent. It is not intelligence. It is not even perfect English. The real secret is consistency. Confidence does not come from knowing. Confidence comes from doing, again and again, every single day. Many English learners think, when my English becomes good, then I will start speaking. But the truth is the opposite. When you start speaking every day, then your English becomes good. Think about a child. A child does not know grammar. A child does not know tenses. But the child speaks daily, makes mistakes daily, learns daily, and slowly, without fear, the child becomes confident. You are not lacking knowledge. You are lacking daily action. One day you study for 2 hours, then 3 days you do nothing. Then again, one day you feel motivated. This cycle destroys confidence. Your brain forgets. Your tongue becomes slow. Your fear becomes strong again. Consistency breaks this fear. Even if you practice English for only 15 minutes every day, but you do it daily, your mind starts believing, I am an English speaker. This belief is very powerful. This belief creates confidence. Confidence is not loud. Confidence is calm. It comes from repetition. When you repeat small actions daily, reading a little, listening a little, speaking a little, your brain becomes familiar with English. And when something becomes familiar, it stops feeling scary. This is why some learners improve very fast. Not because they are smart, but because they are regular. You don't need big effort. You need small effort every day. Speak one paragraph daily. Listen to one short audio daily. Learn 5 new words daily. Read 1 page daily. These small steps look simple, but they change you. After 1 week, you feel a little better. After 1 month, you feel more comfortable. After 3 months, you feel confident. And after 6 months, people start asking you, how did your English become so good? They don't see your daily practice. They only see your result. Many people wait for motivation, but motivation comes and goes. Consistency stays. Some days you will feel lazy. Some days you will feel bored. Some days you will feel like quitting. These are the most important days because when you practice on these days, you build real confidence. Anyone can practice when they feel excited, but only serious learners practice when they don't feel like it. That is the difference. Confidence is built on the days you don't want to practice, but you still do. Do not try to be perfect. Try to be regular. Make mistakes. Speak slowly. Forget words. It is okay. Every mistake is proof that you are learning. The biggest mistake is silence. English is a language. Language is a skill. And every skill grows with repetition, not with thinking. Stop thinking too much. Start speaking more. You don't need a partner. You don't need a classroom. You don't need perfect environment. You only need 15 minutes and your voice. Stand in front of a mirror. Speak about your day. Describe your room. Talk about your plans. Talk about anything, but talk daily. After some time, you will notice something beautiful. You will stop translating from your native language. Words will come automatically. Sentences will come naturally. This is the gift of consistency. Confidence is not something you buy. It is something you build. Brick by brick, day by day. And one day, without even realizing it, you will speak English without fear, without hesitation, without overthinking. Because now English is not new for you. It is normal for you. So don't ask, how can I become confident? Ask, how can I be consistent from today? Start small, start today, stay regular, and confidence will follow you automatically.